Hi, guys. Welcome back. If you haven't been here before, my name is Leslie, and you wandered across my little corner of the internet. And if today is your first time here, I apologize. Today is just one of those days where the mind has become overwhelmed with all the possibilities of what we could make, and I could not decide on a project. Um, the last couple of days, in fact, I have not been in the craft studio. My mojo has packed its bags and headed south. But don't worry, I will get back to it by Friday and we will have a crafty video. For today, I want to encourage you to get out those machines you got for Christmas. A lot of people tell me, oh, I got like an X tool laser cutter, or I got a 3D printer, or I got a Cricut, and I got a Silhouette, and I got a heat press, and I got. And I say, oh, can I see what you've made? And they say, oh, I haven't taken it out of the box. That's the first step, guys. You got to take them out of the box. And then pick a simple, basic project. Do not dive into it like you've done it a million times if you have not. Watch tips, tricks, how to's, what fors, everything. And be sure to use it. The longer it sits in that box, the more your mind has a chance to build up your fear. Trust me, these machines, unless you really, really um, like take a hammer to something to get it to move without looking to be sure that all the packaging is off or something, they're pretty sturdy and can take quite a bit. So just be sure to open the user's manual, get all the packaging out of them, get them plugged in, take your time, set up the program, choose a simple, basic project, and get started. And once you do, you're going to find yourself using them a lot more. You're also going to be like me and end up once in a while going down that rabbit hole and being overwhelmed by everything that you can make. I think also overwhelmed because I'm looking around and I just have so much to choose from, not only machine wise, but supply wise. And this is why we are still on our use what you have projects. Okay. So, in that vein, I did do a couple of projects. The first one was a Valentine's project that I found on Maker Online, and that is the Anycubic um, website for their printers. And this is what I made, and I love it. This is so unique, and it's the only one that I was able to find. And in fact, I wasn't even searching for it, I stumbled across it. But look at this, guys. I love that I can 3D print a Valentine's card. Like I said, I found it online. It is not my design, but I could easily change out the words and make them my own. I just love the concept that I can give my husband something so unique. And then I am always looking for things for the camper because, of course, you want things that you use a lot, but that fit in a more confined, not confined, because our camper definitely has space, but fit in a smaller space. And so I found a fruit and veggie cleaner, and I loved it. It fits right in the sink of my camper. It will be easy to store, and it will allow me to wash just enough fruit and veg for myself and my husband when we're camping. So that I love. So we have also the dragon. Where did we have our little dragon here, right? Sorry, she go. And she is our dragon. So we have toys, we have cards and gifts, and we have useful, right? And don't forget, all of this is probably all, well, maybe not the fruit and veggie. I would check on that one. But these two for sure are probably also available to be made out of wood. And this one, of course, definitely paper. And this one, paper if you have the skill. So there we go, guys. Just get it out of the box and do it. And I promise you, you won't be disappointed. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you get to do what you love to do. And I will see you in whatever comes next. Bye.